Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notifications, give me a huge thumbs up.
Hi everyone and welcome back. For those of you who are new here, my name is Maritza. Welcome, and this is my granddaughter Surielis.
Hi.
And for those of you who've been here already, welcome back. Today we have a short video, and this is Facetory. And I saw this unboxing one of the YouTubers that I subscribe to, and so I decided to subscribe, and we have here a package, and then we have my box, and it's so pretty with the flowers and everything. I haven't opened it, so we're gonna open it now and see what's here. Look at my glasses. And I hope this lighting is good. I'm recording again today on a different device, because I have some videos that I recorded and I haven't been able to put them up, because since I don't know how to edit, one of the videos I kept getting interrupted, and it turned out to be 4 short videos, and I can't seem to edit them and put them together, so I'm trying to record on something different today. So I'm gonna put on my glasses so I can see. And when you open it up, it says, "Just keep glowing. Super fruits for a super you." And this is what it looks like. So pretty. And this is just a card that you could send to somebody. And it's really cute. And then it's packaged really nice in some pink paper. And then when you take it out, the box is really nice. It says, "Happy Masking." This box is really cute. For those of you who don't know, Facetory is a subscription, a facial mask subscription, and they have different subscriptions. They have a subscription where you can get 4 masks every month. They have one where you can get 7 masks, and they have one where you can get, I believe it's 10, and they're all different prices. And you get a card like this, and it tells you what everything is in here, and it tells you the retail value of each item. And this is the April 2019 box. And I got this with a code from from the YouTuber that I watched, and her name is Box Lover. And because I use her code, I got this for using Katrina's code. And so let's see, we're gonna start with the first mask. Is called Vitality. And before I start talking about this mask, it says here, April 7 Lux. The sky is clear and the flowers are blooming this month. We'll focus on feeding your skin with the right nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants found in different fruits and botanicals. Facetory, be bright, be you, brightening mask. Skin in need of a lift? Let's talk Vitality. This firming mask uses antioxidants, punica granatum, fruit extract, and moisturizing shea butter to turn a tired complexion into a plump, hydrated skin. And it says this mask retails for $4. And if you turn it in the back, it tells you how to use the mask. Like step 1, step 2, and step 3. Cleanse and tone. Step 1. Step 2 is apply the mask for 10 to 25 minutes. And then step 3 says remove the mask and lightly pat down the remaining essence. And it says here the key ingredients and benefits: punica, granatune fruit, pomegranate extract. This antioxidant-rich ingredient helps slow down the signs of aging, creating smooth and supple skin. Then the shea butter says this skin softening ingredient helps from a protective barrier to seal in moisture. So that's mask number 1. Then the mask number 2 is called the Lotus. It's a soothing and whitening mask. Soothe and brighten your complexion. This nourishing sheet mask is infused with camellia oil, making it super soft so that it applies effortlessly onto the skin. This soft sheet mask and nutrient-rich essence will provide you with a luscious layer of moisture. And this one retails for $5. And it says the key ingredients tells you in the back how to use it. And this packaging is like really nice. The way it feels. And the flowers, beautiful. It says the key ingredients plus the benefits is Nelumbo nucifera leaf extract. Purifies the skin while brightening and hydrating, leaving you with a clear, radiant glow. Then it has green tea extract, a powerful ingredient filled with antioxidants to help protect your skin and straighten your skin barrier. And mask number 3, it's called Ariel. It's a juice cleanse mask, raspberry and lentil 2 times plus. It's time to brighten your complexion. This Q sheet mask activates when you combine the vitamin C dot mask with the nourishing raspberry and lentil filled essence. And it retails for $5. And the key ingredients plus the benefits is Robust Ideas. I know I'm killing that, but anyway, it's raspberry, a fruit extract.
It tells you from here.
And it says this is a 2-part mask. I really like that. I've never tried something like this. And it says antioxidant rich ingredient that will help fight off free radicals from damaging your skin, helps tighten and tone. And then the lentil fruit extract, an ingredient that will help brighten and tighten while increasing moisture. Perfect for those looking to minimize fine lines and wrinkles. And it gives you the directions. It says find the words open here on the left. Yes, right. It says if it says open here, they're in Korean. This is a Korean mask company, and I don't know how to read Korean. So it says find the words open here on the left side of the front of the mask and peel the sticker to remove the dry mask from the package. Open the right side of the juice cleanse mask and submerge the dry mask into the essence. After fully submerging the mask in the essence, apply the sheet mask for 10 to 20 minutes. Oh, you can see the mask right in here. See it? It looks like it has yellow polka dots. See on her face? And it's right there. Okay. That's me. Okay, mask number 4. It says, this is a brightening jelly pack. Feel like brightening your day? This sheet mask is a great option for a quick pick-me-up. With ingredients enriched in citrusy goodness, your skin will be well hydrated and radiant. What are you waiting for? Get glowing. And then the ingredients and the benefits is niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3. This ingredient will help improve your complexion while protecting it from harmful environmental damage. Say hello to bright and healthy skin. Then it has citrus junos fruit extract, jusu. This ingredient is packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant obtained a clear and luminous glow with this skin brightening ingredient. And that's that mess. Oh, look how pretty this one. That one is so pretty.
Oh, that is.
Okay, I don't. Oh, I see it now. Okay, I thought I didn't see that one. Sorry. Skin Mammon Blueberry Wine Mask. Give your skin loads of hydration. This mask is filled with great ingredients that will help boost and protect your complexion. It provides brightening, hydrating, and anti-aging benefits. And the blueberry has another name here which I cannot pronounce, and I am not going to try. It says, filled with antioxidants, this ingredient will brighten up dull, tired skin while protecting it from any damage. And then the wine extract contains resveratrol, an ingredient found in wine, which plays an important role in helping to repair the skin barrier and protect it from free radical damage, a perfect ingredient for aging skin. And this packaging is really pretty.
Yeah,
I don't know if you
it has
guys...
like honey with little dots, and also blueberries.
I don't know if you can see it. Yes. I really want to try that one. And then mask number 6. Ooh, this has coconut. It says, sorry about that. Alicia Coy, Revitalizing Ampoule Solution Mask. Filled with a runny and creamy essence, this mask will help smooth out flaky skin and dry patches while straining your skin barrier. The coconut oil, a moisturizing, antibacterial, and soothing ingredient. Coconut oil is great to help lock in hydration and keep your skin moisturized. The ceramide is a hydrating agent that helps retain the skin's moisture levels by straightening the skin's moisture barrier. And this retail values for $3.50, and so did the honey and blueberry. And the bright and jelly was $4.
Can you show them? So here it is. Guys, it has like little coconuts right there.
And I don't know if I said, this is a Korean subscription company. A Korean, facial mask. And last but not least in the box is called, oh wow, Hanjisu and a centella repairing mask. Vegan and fragrance-free, this mask will help heal your skin while providing it with yummy nutrients to hydrate, moisturize, and soothe irritated skin. And it says the centella asiatica. With skin healing and protecting properties, this ingredient will help support your skin while providing it with rich nutrients. Provides the Tromelia, the mushroom. Provides anti-aging properties. This will help brighten and even out your skin tone. And it says here tips. Do not leave mask on for over 30 minutes. Use the remaining essence to moisturize the neck and shoulders. Make sure to apply moisturizer to lock in the essence from the mask. And I hope I was recording because I just realized my speaker was off.
Well, you are recording.
And so now we're going to open the gift. And this is what I received for using Subbox Lovers code.